uh, before I tell you that what we are doing, I will tell you what's the hurdles we are facing, what's the problems we are facing.
Yes.
Okay, to spread awareness here in Rajasthan. First of all, the mindset of the general public about this 108 emergency services is that very rarely villagers, rural bed public know that it is free of cost service. Second problem we are facing here in Rajasthan, that if they know that it is free of cost service, they know it's only useful or only can be used for accidents. They don't know this is a emergency medical service. Any sort of medical emergency, 108 is available. Third part is that what the facilities are available in 108. Very rarely, very rarely, in forget about the rural bed, for in urban areas also, people don't know what's the defibrillator or the ventilator or everything. Primary treatment is available in the ambulances. They don't know. And the biggest question in their mind is that if we call 108, how long it will take to come to our place.
Still we have a lot of dues with the government, and especially we get our salaries by about, we get the money by 11th 12th. It should be like we bill on 1st, but we get the money almost about 10 days, it is 1/3 month gone. And we are able to pay our staff by 15th, which is a very big problem, because for people like those, one day can also really make a difference in the salaries. They have to pay their rents and food, and by the end of the month, we are almost crossing another month into half. So that's a very big problem for us, because our staff itself goes into that. They don't have faith on us that we don't give them on time.
The problem with us, with Chikitsa, I think everywhere 108 we are running in 108, not about 1298, that everything should be approved by the government. Everything, because funds are going to be given by the government. The creatives for everything, creatives for the posters, creatives for the banners, creating for the pamphlets is also going to be approved by the government, and the government authority will take lots of time on each and everything. So to submit a marketing plan to them, approval of the plan and approval of the creatives, and after that raise the bills to them and getting funds for that, it will take lots of time, and this is the problem we are facing, because we are not getting enough money from the government, and if we are getting not on time. And without money, we are doing for all these things with the help of NGOs, and because government are giving us the money but not on time. It take lots of time. We want that much of budget, they will, for 1 month, they will give it after 4 months.
Oh wow.
So this is the biggest problem. Next 2 months we are coming up with 464 ambulances. And the problem is that the locations of these ambulances is decided by the government. And lots,
really?
Yeah, we can't do anything in it. And just because of the political pressure, some of the locations we are having the ambulances after every 2 kilometers. If we are having the ambulances after every 2 kilometers, how can it be possible for us to give per day per ambulance 5 calls? Government can't change it because it's a political pressure. Politics will decide, MLA will decide, ministers will decide where to locate these ambulances, and we can't do it. We are suggesting them that, boss, it's not possible for us. For some cities like Bikaner, every 3 kilometers we are having one more ambulance.
Right.
How can we achieve the target?
Of course.
But we just give them input. It's their duty to locate the ambulance.